Hello, YouTube. This is Michelle again, showing you what I purchased this week at my local Marshall's this time. So I picked up this eyeshadow palette. It's by Nicole Miller. And the reason I like this palette is because it's specifically for brown eyes. It has beautiful shades. Let's see if I can get my face and the palette all in the same shot, but I guess not. It has lots of beautiful shades, and I tried to open the package and it was giving me some problems, but I'm lucky. I kind of felt one of the shades, and it's very creamy. Very, very, very creamy, very dewy. Very pigmented, as they say. Very, very, very pigmented. It is flat, but I have dry skin, and I'm sure when I add a primer, you'll be able to see it very well. But this is what I got from Nicole Miller. The palette is called Vegas, and I think it is going to look very nice on my skin, my darker skin color, and I have brown eyes, so I can't wait to try this out and do a video for you to see what it looks like. The other item I picked up while I was at my local Marshall's is this all over face brush from MAC Studio. I currently have one from e.l.f., and the reason I picked this up is because I'm going to get rid of my e.l.f. brush, and I'm going to replace it with this one. And it was about $3. As you can see, it's very, very, very dense. It's very, very densely packed. It's smooth to the touch. It's not at all prickly. And the handle is very substantial, just like my e.l.f. handle. But I have larger hands, so I think this is going to be very easy and nice, and I know it's in my hand, and I think I'm going to not pick up as much product because with a more secure grip, the less product I have a tendency to pick up. So I think I'm going to have a lot of comfort, and I'm going to have a lot of joy using this brush from MAC Studio. The other item I picked up from my local Marshall's today was this other kabuki brush from MAC Studio. It was also about $3, and it's XL. That was the one thing that intrigued me about this brush. Not only when I saw it in the packaging, it was rather large than the typical kabuki brushes that I see from e.l.f., from other brands, but I like this because it'll also pick up powder, because I'm a powder girl, and I like to use powder highlights, powder foundations. It is called foundations because the brands I use go from liquid to cream and, cream to powder. So this is why I say I'm a powder person. And this is very dense, very soft, and there is no shedding, because sometimes when you take brushes out of the packaging and you use them, it sheds. So I can't wait to use this kabuki brush and show you how nice it blends the makeup on my face. The other item I picked up is my very first product from Too Faced. I know it's a very popular brand, and this is the waterproof mascara Melt Off. And as you can see, it states it takes off 97% of waterproof mascara. I might be the last person on the planet to see this particular product, but I picked it up for about $3. It seemed as though I scored today no more than about $3, $4. And I can't wait to use mascara, because all my mascaras are waterproof. And I can't wait to try it out. It is a clear formula, and it does come with a wand, and it looks like it'll take your mascara off. It's very soft, so it doesn't seem like it will damage your eyelashes, because eyelashes are very precious. And certainly you don't want to put anything too damaging and harsh on your eyes or near your face. So I think I'm going to like having this particular product, and this seems as though it'd be something that I would reorder or look to buy again in the store. The other item I picked up today at my local Marshall, the last item haul, is this 10-foot phone charger. Phone chargers can never be long enough, because when you travel, when you're at home, depending on what kind of home you live in, you never know how far where you're going to be sitting is going to be away from the outlet you're using. And if you're like me, I don't want to miss a call, and I don't like chasing after the phone and get there and then the person's hung up because it took me too long to get to the phone because I was 100 feet away from it. So this was the last time I picked up, and of course it is a non-bead item, but I can't wait to use it because I got lucky. It's 10 feet. Well, this is all the items I picked up this week at my local Marshalls. Thank you for watching. Please like and please subscribe. Thank you.